In this video, we'll explore how to make the most of your High Deductible Health Plan, HDHP, and navigate its unique features to optimize both your health and finances. A High Deductible Health Plan typically offers lower monthly premiums in exchange for a higher deductible. Familiarize yourself with the terms, including deductible, out-of-pocket maximum, and co-insurance. Understanding these terms will help you better manage your healthcare costs and make informed decisions about your medical care. One key feature of an HDHP is the ability to pair it with a health savings account, HSA. An HSA is a tax-advantaged savings account that can be used to pay for qualified medical expenses. Contributions to an HSA are tax-deductible, and any unused funds can be rolled over from year to year. This makes an HSA a valuable tool for saving and investing in your future healthcare needs. To take full advantage of your HDHP and HSA, it's important to shop around for healthcare services and compare prices. Many providers offer transparent pricing, allowing you to see the cost of different procedures and services upfront. By being an informed consumer, you can make cost-effective choices that align with your healthcare needs and budget. Another benefit of an HDHP is the option to use telehealth services. Telehealth allows you to consult with a healthcare provider remotely, saving you time and money. Telehealth services are often available 24/7, making it convenient to access care whenever you need it. In addition to telehealth, many HDHPs offer wellness programs and resources to help you stay healthy and prevent costly medical conditions. These programs may include discounted gym memberships, smoking cessation programs, and access to health coaching services. By taking advantage of these resources, you can proactively manage your health and potentially reduce your healthcare costs. In conclusion, a high-deductible health plan can be a cost-effective option for individuals and families. By understanding its unique features and utilizing available resources, you can optimize both your health and finances. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or insurance advisor to determine if an HDHP is the right choice for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on healthcare and personal finance. One key benefit of an HDHP is eligibility for a health savings account, HSA. An HSA allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, which can be used for qualified medical expenses. It's a powerful tool for saving money while taking control of your healthcare expenses. Consider contributing to your HSA regularly to build a financial cushion for future medical expenses. Use online tools to estimate potential costs and set realistic savings goals. Remember, funds in your HSA roll over from year to year, providing a long-term solution for healthcare savings. Many HDHPs cover preventive services at no cost before meeting the deductible. Take advantage of these benefits to stay proactive about your health without incurring additional expenses. Since HDHPs have higher deductibles, having a solid emergency fund is crucial. Be prepared for unexpected medical costs by having savings set aside to cover your deductible. By following these tips, you can leverage the unique features of your HDHP to save money, build a financial safety net, and make informed decisions about your healthcare. Remember, every individual situation is unique, so it's essential to tailor these strategies to fit your specific needs and circumstances.